Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by auditing what's already happening. Track screen time for 7 days and spot the 3 apps that matter most. Once done, set a measurable target, aim for 15 to 30 more minutes per session or a 20% weekly increase so you can measure progress. Make one immediate change now. Reposition the app, enable a smart notification, or schedule a single session on your calendar. These prerequisites get you into action quickly and build momentum for the next phase. Next, build repeatable routines that make extra screen time automatic. You want 2 to 3 daily windows, morning, midday, evening, and keep durations fixed so your brain expects them. Use one tool consistently, a focus timer, reminder app, or calendar blocks that reserve the time. Then optimize context by pairing screen sessions with everyday habits like coffee, commute buffering, or winding down at night so the sessions feel natural. These steps increase screen time quality and finish by refining and scaling what works. Each week, review metrics and adjust your windows by 10 to 20% depending on engagement and fatigue. Once a slot performs well, scale by adding 1 extra session per week or extending the best slot by 10 minutes. If growth stalls, troubleshoot quickly. Remove distractions, shift timing to a different part of the day, or test a different app for the same goal. Make small, data-driven tweaks, and you'll sustain increased screen time without burning out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.